In this video, let me show you how to use the Discord mobile app. In order for you to use the Discord mobile app, you need to first of all download it from the Play Store or the App Store, depending upon your device, and you'll need to create your account. Once you have created your account, make sure you have logged into it as well. Once you are logged into your account, there are various sections that you can explore. Getting started, if you're on the home page, on the left hand side you'll be able to see all of these servers either you've created or either you've joined. So you can click on each of these servers and explore everything that it has provided. Also, if you're trying to create your own server, what you can do is click on this plus icon and then create your own server, or you can also start off from a template. So this is the server section. If you're trying to chat with people, you'll also be able to see the message option inside of the home section, where you can just tap on individual people and start chatting with them. You can also tap on the add friends option on the top and then search by their username in this section. Now, right besides the home option, you'll have the notifications tab. This section alerts you to mentions, replies, or any pending requests that you may have inside of your account. So through this section, you'll be able to manage a few notifications that you may want or may not want inside of your Discord. The last tab is going to be the profile tab, where you'll be able to see your profile name and as well as edit your option. Inside of this profile section, you can tap on the settings option on the top right. And these are all of the settings that you can manage or inside of your account. You can head over to these options such as accounts or content and social to manage some of the settings that you may like. Now, talking about servers, there are generally two types of servers: the text communication servers and the voice communication servers, or channels inside of a server. If you head over to the text channels, this is the section where you can normally chat with group members, or if you head over to the voice channels, you can straight away send in voice messages and join a conference call as well. So that's all there is for this video. That was a quick tutorial on the way that you use the Discord mobile app. If this kind of video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.